there. Everyone aspires to excel in their field of work, studies, and future endeavors. This ambition is what propels a person to keep pursuing excellence, and one of the most crucial goals to strive for is financial independence. The definition of financial independence may vary from one individual to another, but the means of accumulating wealth are quite similar. Now, let's cut to the chase. How can you build your own wealth? I won't hold anything back. These steps aren't just my ideas, but I wholeheartedly believe in them and have implemented them in my life with confidence that they lead to wealth. If you follow these steps, truly embrace them, and make them part of your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to reaching your desired goal. The initial step involves establishing a consistent source of income that will allow you to focus on saving and investing your money wisely. Keep close tabs on your expenses and concentrate on essentials only. When you allocate a specific portion of your monthly earnings solely for savings and create a detailed investment plan, all that's left to do is exercise patience and be ready to seize the right investment opportunity. Every successful investment follows certain stages, steps, and fundamentals that ensure its success. The challenge that most people who find wealth accumulation difficult and seemingly impossible face is fear. Fear of taking risks, fear of the unknown, fear of failure, and losing all their hard-earned money. It's true. There are risks and uncertainties, and that's why I recommend these simple stages before embarking on your path to wealth. First and foremost, set clear and specific goals. Let's be honest, everyone desires wealth, but not everyone takes the right steps to attain it. Having a precise goal to strive for distinguishes successful individuals from those who fall short. Why do some people fail? Because they lack direction and a clear path to follow. It's crucial to be clear about what you want to achieve. Some people aim for wealth to enjoy a luxurious retirement, while others strive to establish their own businesses. Each goal requires you to identify the luxuries and basic needs necessary to accomplish it. Secondly, never view your monthly income or any source of earnings as funds meant solely for spending. Instead, consider this income as a tool for investment and savings. The strongest evidence of this is that wealthy individuals didn't accumulate their wealth by squandering all their savings and money. It's essential to practice frugality and limit expenses to the essentials. Develop a habit of consistent saving and don't disregard the power of small contributions. Each bit you save becomes an investment opportunity for your future. Thirdly, steer clear of debts and bank loans. Personally, I dislike debt because it depletes your financial resources. I prefer to keep my bank account cushioned until the right investment opportunity presents itself, which brings us to the fourth step. Prepare to seize investment opportunities swiftly. This is why I advocate keeping money in your bank account for those irreplaceable moments when the perfect investment chance arises. The nature of investments varies depending on your location. For instance, in the United States, real estate and stocks are popular options. Success in this kind of investment often depends on being ahead of the curve, grabbing the right opportunity when it surfaces. Fifth, secure your wealth to safeguard it from potential loss or theft. While this may seem trivial, it's a vital step for peace of mind and consistent progress towards wealth. Following these straightforward habits can bring you a sense of satisfaction. To stay on the right path, create a shopping list of essential needs and avoid buying items not on the list. Be mindful of your spending on parties, gifts, and trivial things that others might deem important. Carry only the necessary amount of cash with you to help curb impulsive spending. Eliminate costly habits like smoking, excessive video gaming, and fast food consumption, as they can harm both your health and your finances. So, there you have it, a roadmap to building wealth that, if followed diligently, can pave the way to financial independence and prosperity. I hope you found these insights valuable. Peace.